So today's the day my back's been waiting for. We're going to carry all this shingle around and put it up on the roof. I feel like my back's hurting already. Welcome back to the house edition. This morning, I got to do minor framing correction. The subfascia needs to be pushed in just a little bit. So I need to cut it loose and just push it in a little. After that, we'll start carrying the shingle around. So let's get started. Okay, now that I've got that repaired, I'm going to start snapping lines on this side of the addition, and I'll start laying the starter shingles. Okay. Yep. Okay, so we got half of it done, and we're just going to button up the rest of this. So I'm going to try to put some cap paper at the ridge, just to seal it off in case of water. So I got this roofing tar. I'm going to go ahead and hit a couple spots. And I think that'll be it for today. I'm going to try to make sure everything's watertight for the rain tomorrow. So, see you in the next clip.